Y'all, let's be super clear on what's happening right now. This is where the details are, and those details are horrific. The Justice Department is actively searching for the names, addresses, and banking information from people who criticize ICE. These were anonymous users, by the way, because of shit like this. The regime is looking through files on Reddit and X users who criticized ICE and the Trump regime's tactics, has opened a box. The U.S. Attorney's Office in Washington, D.C., led by Jeanine Pirro, subpoenaed Reddit and X as part of a criminal investigation into at least two, for the moment, anonymous Reddit users. These two anonymous users criticized immigration enforcement. These folks were not told what crime they committed. This is from Bloomberg News. Their lawyers believe the government may be claiming the post involved officer location data, doxing, and perceived threats. The regime is using powerful tools to identify anonymous users because they had the audacity to post criticism of federal police. It wants to make examples of those two people. It is meant to intimidate people into silence. This is from Bloomberg News. One attorney representing a Reddit user said some of her clients' posts were as simple as "fuck ICE." The subpoena did not specify which post supposedly triggered the government's interest, and the attorney said it was unclear. The attorney said it was unclear what law the government believed had been violated. Real threats would be something like, targeting the agent's family or coordinated violence against them. But that is not what's happening here. They want these identities of people who criticize ICE, cursed ICE, mocked ICE, or even discussed ICE misconduct. This is domestic terrorism. Here's some more info for you. ACLU filed a motion earlier this year challenging a DHS subpoena seeking Google subscriber records about a man who criticized DHS conduct. The Supreme Court has repeatedly recognized the right to speak anonymously, especially in political discourse, because anonymity can protect people from retaliation. The Federalist Papers were written by somebody who is anonymous. Underground newspapers, whistleblower reports, those are protected. Sociologically, we call this the chilling effect. The government doesn't have to arrest anybody. All it needs, examples. People stop posting. They stop filming, warning neighbors. There's a lot more to this, and I don't want to break this up into series, but I will put a breakdown on my Substack, The Damaged Files Uncensored. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you next video.